How to turn off active online status on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off online active status on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on this option that says message and story replies. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll be able to find this option that says show activity status. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, as you can see, I have already turned off my active status. But here, if you want to do it so, then you can just toggle off this option. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.